Hey friends, Dave here. Real quick, I just wanted to talk about how do you really harness the power of each of the channels that you have available to you to really get on this device that everybody has with them at all times, the smartphone. And really what we're talking about here is social, email, and text marketing. And the reality is it's not about sending the same message to every one of these channels, right? It's not saying like buy this, buy this, buy this on each of those things. It's really about how do you use those special qualities of each of the channels to your benefit. And so I want to talk through those. So when we're thinking about social media, right? Really what we have the opportunity here to do is reach a new audience. And we do that because it's all about engagement, right? It's all about having people connect with your business on a social channel, engaging with the content that you have or that you put up there, and then those engagements expose you to a new audience. And realistically, it allows you to go beyond email and text marketing to bring new people in, because ultimately, if you remember the party principle from a previous video, you're trying to bring those people close to you. So that's the strengths of the social channel there. When we move to email, of course, this is all about reaching that audience directly, right? So you have people that have raised their hand and say, yes, I want to hear from you through email, and you're able to decide when you want to contact, who you want to contact, and you're not beholden to social media algorithms that limit your reach, right? And so that's really the strength of email, is that you're able to reach people directly. You're also able to share more robust images, right? You can get as long or as short as you want within those emails. And you can, of course, use images. You can use all of these different things that allow you to give this more robust image and give more detail on a particular subject. And then lastly, when we're thinking about text marketing or SMS, right, there's something here that's interesting is obviously these are shorter messages, right? You got to be quick and to the point and concise. But what's nice about this channel is it's about things that feel exclusive, right? Because when people give you their text number, you want to treat that a little bit differently because that's such an immediate channel. And that also means you want to think about the time sensitivity that's involved with the messages that you send through text marketing. So some things to think about there, and think about how you can use the strengths of each of these channels so you get the best possible results from your online marketing efforts. All right, friends, we'll see you next time. Thanks.